guys, welcome to the part 2. I want to show you the heatsink of the graphics card. I clean this area very nicely. Tried as best as I could. Unfortunately, these pads right here that is sitting on the memory, they're having a spot right here. There you can put your terminal pad here. As you can see, there are marks here, just inserted in this piece of aluminum. Anyway, they were very dirty, and I couldn't do much thing because to dust, and there was something black when I was cleaning with the alcohol this area, and the terminal pads they got very dirty, and these ones right here I couldn't clean very nicely, as you can see, but there's nothing I can do for now. Usually when you're doing these kind of things, you need to be prepared with the terminal pads that you can replace these ones, because this one over time they're losing their conductivity and all of that, and I mean, pardon, they're not conductive for the memory, because if they were conductive, they will damage the video card. No, what I meant is they're losing their properties during the over time. Anyway, so is this one for the voltages regulators, as you can see. I tried to clean as best as I could, but this is all I could get. There were dust combined with something else here in this area, and I had to clean more in this. And right here there was a lot of dust, you know. And I also cleaned the fan blades from the inside. It's not very well made, but I had to open the plastic, all the aluminum shroud, but I decided not to do that because I still want to use it, and right now maybe it's not the time. Maybe in the near future when I will find the available time. Anyway, the cooler is very heavy, as you can see right here. It just is made by two pieces, and the one here in my left hand, it has also screws here. Let me show you a quick look. It has 3 screws here, another 4 here, and if we flip around the back, we also find 3 and another 3. You see, so this is very well made. I never seen graphics cards like these ones, you know. Yeah, and the blades are still dirty, and I'll try to clean the fan blades even more before I'm putting back together. And yeah, anyway, it's very important not to scratch the paint for the pieces. Anyway, this is how she looks like in the final form. I applied the fresh thermal compound right here, and I also made sure that there is no dirt or anything like this, or anything that have been around this memory, you know, because the best way to keep the graphics card health is to be very clean, and no debris inside, or dust, or sand, or anything like that, or objects, especially metals, of course, because nobody wants to have a short on the PCB. And yeah, right now it is very clean. Anyway, yes, thank you for watching once again, and see you in the other videos. Bye.